We could probably pick up from, yeah, turn on the gas. This is not the first time I've had the phone die during shooting, so the rest of the footage is there for sure.
Totally get it. And clearly I can do this extemporaneously, so if we ever do
Yeah, right, of course.
So a plasma cutter uses superheated air to force out the metal. So we need to turn the air on, and we use the line air at the Idea Foundry. Move the knife switch parallel to the line, and it goes to 120 PSI, a little more, which is what the plasma cutter wants. And so now the things to double check before we go: have we zeroed our plasma nozzle? Have we put the ground clamp on? And is the wire out of the way of the gantry? Is the air on? Is the plasma cutter power on? Is the connection between the laptop and the controller good? And if so, and is there enough water in the table? Frankly, this is a little low right now, but we'll add more next time. Now, all I do is I hit the play button, and that's right there. I'm gonna hit play, and now the nozzle's moving. And
Oh, is that it?
yeah, this is a quick one. About 10 more seconds. I don't know why the air keeps coming after it's done cutting. Maybe it's blowing out any water that might have gotten up in the nozzle, but we give it about those 30 seconds for it to finish blowing. Now I'm going to use the up arrow, down arrows, move it out of the way, and I'm going to get my tools here, and I'm just going to pry this out. Sometimes, because we haven't quite got the settings right, whoop, there we go, it might tack weld or spot weld back. So now what I'm going to do is slide this metal. Wear gloves when you do this. This out of the way. Let's see, where did it fall down?
One more forward.
There it is. Oh, okay. So there's our little part. Pretty
Beautiful.
fun. Okay, and you can stop filming there.